Good. You had the carpet out on downwind. I didn't know if you wanted it out, but you're going to put it out now anyway, so that's what I'm like, eh.
All right, for landing, fuel selector. Make sure, please check your seatbelt. Mine's good, carpet's out. Landing light. Verified on. Going to try a 68 mile an hour approach.
60.
60, that's right, because we're trying short field.
$954.
Carolyn, Travis South 1100, left base 7, hold on.
Now you can't be high here, so bring us down, because that defeats the purpose. And no lights, not a good light day for us.
Carolyn, Travis South 1100, final 7, hold on.
Winds may be actually closer down the runway, no?
Yeah, it doesn't, I don't feel
I'm not
anything.
seeing anything. There you go. Hey, this is full of shit. Maybe. Oh.
It's definitely bumpy though.
Yeah, you got a little left to right going. You're going to have to put in some right rudder. Left wing down. Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. There we go. Left wing down. There we go. Keep the nose up.
30578.
Left wing down. Keep the left wing down.
Left ramp to runway 7.
Yeah, look at the wing too. That was well done. Simulate max braking, right?
Yeah. Alright, that felt really nice. I'd like to do that all the time.
Got any questions before we head out? Now it's down the runway. I think it's just moving.
It's moving a lot, actually.
As we got closer, I kind of saw the nose starting to creep to the left.
Yep.
I don't know if you saw that too. You got any questions?